Hey, D-Man. Yeah. At the end of the day, I'm still an MC. And I brought Will Phil with me. And we just gonna give y'all our reflections of life. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. Let's bring it back to the days of a lyricist dominant MCs, cause this new shit is ignorant. Money making the niggas that isn't good marketing, so I'ma be the shit. We not letting all these farters in. Following the starting trends, negative or positive. Are you here for culture or you showing what a hobby is? Yeah, I'm from the hood, but you more like what a copy is. Suburban ass niggas claiming cities that they partied in. Fascinated by lifestyles they having problems in. Cyber gang bangers, everybody say they killing, but they missing targets, man. They clapping up our children, man, who birthed these little gremlins. Generation ain't so brilliant. What the fuck am I talking for? If everybody wanna be Alvin when they character is Theodore. Liquefied lyrics so they pour from the malted rock. Now I'm love hot, straight burning from the track of course. You ain't even on the same course. Just grab a beat and start yelling till your shit is hoarse. What's on your melon? I passed the game, you niggas felon. You bad for my business, I ain't buying what you selling.
Life is set in multiple definitions. We all live inside the world, but we all different. I see multiple galaxies and different formalities. Instead of peace, drama is something we all rather see. Stuck in traffic in the mind, the way the world is designed. It's kinda hard to comprehend it without looking behind. Remember those good old days, cartoons on Saturdays. That's when I thought as a child, now this is another phase. Question is, will things ever change? We can't change the world unless we get rid of our ways. The storefront we posted up, what up, illegal handshakes. Niggas don't give a fuck, parking cars in alleyways, throwing dice at the wall, having conversations about pulling chicks at the mall. We brainwashed on feeling it, something that's never finished yet. Niggas define niggas just for all the ignorance, wisdom, intelligence.